Well, here we are, Julie, in this absolutely stunning mid-century modern home in Wavell Heights. Isn't it fantastic?
Pete, it's so fantastic. It's so stylish.
What do you think our buyers are going to love about it most of all?
I think they're going to love the open spaces. I think they're going to love the flow out from the kitchen to the
And
pool.
that pool area.
It's fantastic.
Reminds you of Palm Springs, doesn't it?
Palm Springs, absolutely.
So it's a great house for the family. They can buy it before Christmas, be in by
Absolutely.
Christmas.
Yep.
Imagine having Christmas Day here, how fabulous.
Absolutely. It wouldn't be just your family, it'd be many families could be here.
Exactly. Imagine, Julie, at the end of Christmas Day, you go upstairs and you go into that family room. How good would that be, watching the sunset over the city?
Yep, you've got your views of the city, like you say, and you've got your views of Moreton Bay.
Yeah, it's
and
so
beautiful
good.
breezes.
And cool breezes.
Oh,
fantastic.
Beautiful. So Peter, what do people need to do?
Come to the open home, Julie.
Absolutely. Come see it.